How to fix failed to download or apply critical settings in Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can fix Roblox download issue. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step is open up your run. To open up your run, you can simply search for a run here. This is the one right here. Open that, or you can simply press Windows plus R key to open up run as well. After you're on run, press percentage sign and type in local app data percentage sign. Then hit enter and this should open up like this. Here you'll need to locate Roblox folder, so you can simply press on any one folder and press R until you see Roblox. Then open up the Roblox folder, and from here you can simply delete everything that's available. You can see different options available, you can see versions. So head over to versions and select everything and then press on this delete option. After you delete Roblox from here, you will need to open up your CMD. That is your command prompt. So head over to the search bar, type in CMD and run it as administrator. After you run it as administrator, there are a few commands that you'll need to press. So the commands that you might want to run is these three. So first type in netsh int IP reset. Then hit enter. Then similarly do the same with netsh winshock reset. And finally IP config / and give a flush DNS. After you do all those commands and run those, you can then start downloading Roblox again and it should then work just fine. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.